Malcolm Cowley described Virginia Woolf's writing style into The Lighthouse as a stream of consciousness that is like a river that flows through the novel, sometimes calm, sometimes turbulent, but always moving. Stream of consciousness is a literary technique that seeks to replicate the natural flow of thoughts, feelings, and observations in the human mind. It's a fluid, unstructured, and often fragmented narrative style that mirrors the associative and nonlinear nature of human consciousness. Into The Lighthouse, Virginia Woolf employs stream of consciousness to explore the inner lives of her characters, particularly Mrs. Ramsay, Lily Briscoe, and James Ramsay. Here's how she uses this technique. 1. Inner monologues. Woolf uses long, unbroken passages of inner monologue to reveal characters' thoughts, feelings, and memories. These monologues often blur the lines between past, present, and future. 2. Free association. Characters' thoughts jump from one idea to another, mimicking the natural flow of consciousness. This creates a sense of intimacy and immediacy. 3. Sensory details. Woolf incorporates sensory details to anchor the narrative in the present moment. This helps to create a sense of immersion and immediacy. 4. Nonlinear narrative. The novel's nonlinear structure, which jumps back and forth in time, mirrors the nonlinear nature of human consciousness. 5. Multiple perspectives. Woolf employs multiple narrative perspectives, often blurring the lines between characters' thoughts and feelings. This creates a sense of collective consciousness. 6. Experimentation with language. Woolf pushes the boundaries of language, using innovative techniques like fragmented sentences, unpunctuated dialogue, and poetic imagery to capture the fluidity of consciousness. By using stream of consciousness, Woolf creates a rich, immersive, and deeply subjective narrative that draws the reader into the inner lives of her characters. This technique allows her to explore themes like the nature of time, memory, and human connection in a unique and powerful way.